everyone, this is Alina Akhtar and welcome to Alina's Maverick World. So through today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to convert an image into a PDF form. First step which you need to follow to convert any image into a PDF form is to download an appropriate app. So the app which I'm downloading is Clear Scanner, which you can easily find in the Google Play Store app. If you want to download any other app, you can do so and search in the Google Play Store app. So other apps also you can use like Cam Scanner, Image to PDF Converter, PDF Converter. So the app is getting installed. If you want the link of this app, you can find it in the description box. Once your app is installed, open it and allow access to photos, medias and files on the device. Once your app is downloaded, you can see that screen related to this will appear. If you are new to the app, these documents will not come. Now, if you want to convert any image which is already saved in your gallery, so you can see in the bottom there are two options, one gallery and one camera. So you can click on this gallery option and select the image which you want to convert into PDF. Now you can also crop this image, rotate it and click the arrow at the right. Now if you want to take an image and then convert it into a PDF form, you can see at the bottom there is a camera button. So you can now click on this button and allow to take picture. So I'm now taking the picture of this image which I wanted to convert into PDF. So now I can crop this image, rotate it and also click the arrow button. Now I want this to be in original form only, in the PDF form as well. So you can click the original button. So you can see there are four options at the top: original, photo, docs and clear. So you can click on any if you want. Clear image will come like this, docs will come like this, photo will come and original will be the way it was. Now if you want to click any other photo or more pics, you can again click on the camera button and can click. You can crop the image the way you want and rotate it and click the OK button. Now over here, as you can see at the top right, there is an option of this. So this will allow you to crop it the way you want. So like I just want the sun to be in my image, I can do it easily by cropping it. So it will be done this way, and I want my image to be clear, so it will come this way. So now it would be replaced by the image which I cropped. So in this way you can edit all your image, you can rename your PDFs and also share it with people. So now my PDF document of 3 pages is completed. If you want more pics or more images, you can click on the gallery and the camera button. If you want to rename your document to another name which you want, like science, observation and something related to this, so you can click on these 3 dots which are over here at the top right. Also you can click over here. So if I click on these 3 dots, this information will come: import from file, PDF settings and rename. So you can rename to any word which you want. Now you can click at the top as well to change the name. Apart from these, there are more options over here, that is share button and more button, from where you can save it. So if I want to save it to gallery, I can go over here, I can take the printout of this PDF, also share it as an email or save it as storage. I can share this through WhatsApp, Telegram, can save it to Drive, can email to anyone and can also to copy to File Manager. You can share this image as JPG file as well. From here also you can edit the file name. So in this way you will be able to share your PDF with anyone. So once your PDF format is completed, you can exit the file, the app, and can also view it whenever you want by opening the app. Now if you want to delete any of the documents, you can see that there are 3 dots in front of every document. So you can click on these and then delete it. So you can delete it from over here. If you want to edit any of the document, you can view it at any time. Click on that page. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked it.